Hi guys, welcome back to Chow. In my previous videos, you have seen that we use milk foam a lot. Today, I will share with you how we can make the milk foam. So, there are three different ways to make a milk foam. One is using the French press, so you can use it for brewing your tea, you can use it for brewing your coffee, and you can use it also for making your milk foam. The second method is using a milk frother. And then we also have the third method, which is using an electric frother. So this one uses electricity. The milk frother is manual, you don't need to use electricity, and so is the French press. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is fresh milk, and it should be cold. So let's start using a milk frother. You can just fill the milk frother 1/3 of the cup. So let's do that now. I will fill it 1/3 of the cup. And then we'll put the lid on. And then you pump a few times until you feel it is harder to pump it. So when that's done, you get this milk foam. So the milk is doubled in size. So I'll put it aside for now. Now let's use the French press. Let's fill the French press about 1/3 of the cup. Then do the same thing. Pump it up and down. You can see the milk doubling in size. So there you go. There you have your milk foam. So again, I'll put this aside. Just pump this. Okay, so there you have two milk foam. And now let's use the third one. Let's use a pitcher. And then again, I'll just fill it 1/3 of the cup. And then we use this electric frother. So you dip the electric frother inside, tilt it slightly, turn it on, and then you see the milk foam forming. This one gives a really nice, shiny, silky milk foam. There you go, you have this milk foam. I'll just tap it using the electric frother. So let's just put it here. That's using the electric frother. This is the milk foam using the milk frother. There you go. And this is the milk foam using the French press. Three different types of tools that you can use to make your milk foam. And what does it give you? It gives you a really creamy texture. You can see that. Very creamy. Only fresh milk. No badness there, all goodness. So you can use any of these tools or gadgets to make your milk foam. There you have it. You see how easy it is to make a milk foam. It only takes a few minutes to make the value of your drinks higher. And it looks so much better, so much creamier, and so much tastier. Now you can do that in your milk tea or coffee shop. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.